Gather 3 tablespoons each of white wine vinegar and dry white wine, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped shallot, 3 to 4 black peppercorns, 1 tablespoon of fresh tarragon leaves, 3 egg yolks, half a cup of unsalted butter, and salt. For an optional kick, a pinch of cayenne pepper. Begin by creating a vinegar reduction. In a small saucepan, combine the vinegar, wine, shallot, peppercorns, and half of the tarragon. Simmer this aromatic blend over medium heat, reducing it by half in about 3 to 5 minutes. Strain out the solids and allow the reduction to cool slightly. Next, whisk the egg yolks in a heat-proof bowl until smooth and pale. Introduce the cooled vinegar reduction to the yolks, whisking all the while. Now, it's time to cook the sauce. Set the bowl over simmering water, ensuring it doesn't touch the water. This is the double boiler method. Vigorously whisk the egg yolk mixture, gradually adding the melted hot butter. This emulsification process, which thickens the mixture, takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Remember, don't let the eggs overheat or they'll scramble. Once the sauce is creamy and coats a spoon, remove it from the heat. Season your sauce with the remaining tarragon, salt, and if you like, a pinch of cayenne pepper. Serve your Béarnaise sauce immediately with steak, fish, or vegetables. A garnish of extra tarragon leaves adds a fresh touch. Remember, continuous whisking and temperature control are key to a smooth, uncurdled sauce. If the sauce thickens too much, whisk in a few teaspoons of warm water. If this video tickled your taste buds, please like and subscribe to help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.